Chibito Health Center ya kana niriyirwaruro rukuru mu district ya Bunyangabo kandi rukoraho abantu barukurenge mutwara 26 mu district eji wahireho kuhereza district ya Bunyangabo yonka irwaruro rero nirukora naho abandi abarukurwo mu district zherire Bunyangabo nkakabarore Kasese n'emyanye yindi.
We are seeing over time increasing number of clients. Despite our catchment population, we are serving more than most of the targets. We are able to surpass most of the targets of the facility. For instance, in maternity, we have a target of about 100 deliveries. Chibito Center for the last almost a full year, we have been delivering 300 plus mothers.
Echenaku irwareri nirubikemerambwe omurza Cold Zario ahabo kuburi hanka.
If someone dies right now, we have to improvise and put someone in the corridor. So we don't have even a mortuary. Mortuary we don't have.
Chibito Health Center ya kana eshemerere kubeye n'abashaho igana 33 konke n'abashaho nkaga bonka.
For instance, when you go to the imaging department, we don't have anybody to do even a scan. We are supposed to have 2 sonographers, we're supposed to have a radiographer and imaging technologist. Among those, we don't have any.
Abarkwebemberi rwareri nibagira ngo tibine byombeko birukumara ekirukuretera obuhereza bwasabaza.
Infrastructure is a very big challenge in Chibito Center for instance, when you move to general ward, it has been just commissioned, but we think with our numbers is very small. We could also ask for other wards like the pediatric ward, the surgical ward. Since we are on highway, we always get accident cases.
Evyona bimanyuro MTN babire nbahayo buhezi bwebikoreso bitari rumwe na bimwe ahirwa redi.
Selecting Bunyangabo to be among the 4 districts in Uganda participating or benefiting from this initiative. I received email, I am aware, apart from Bunyangabo, there's Gomba, Luka and Abudati. So I was like, who are we among the very many districts to be part of this initiative?
Gasha kwa Jonan Singwire.